Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you, bacha party? Hope everybody is very good and doing lots of studies, enjoying winter food and enjoying winter season also, because winter season is a very foodie season actually, and we all are feeling very nice and cool in this season. Yes, lots of different types of foods, different types of soups and different types of sweaters, blazers we can enjoy this season. We cannot enjoy summer season, but we can enjoy the winter season. So winter season is the best season. Alright, so dear students, you already have seen the two lectures which is based on chapter number 10, weather and seasons. This is my third lecture of the chapter. Right, so in the previous two lectures I told you about the weather, about the season, what is atmosphere, what is weather, what is temperature, what is wind. Right, about all these things we already discussed in the last lecture. So today we will discuss about the clouds. Today we will discuss about the clouds. Right. So today we will discuss about the clouds. बादलों के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Okay. The weather, first what is written in the book I will read. I am on page number 65 and I will read whatever is given in the book. Alright, so the weather of a place also depends on clouds. Yes, it is very much correct written over here in the book. The weather of a place it's completely depends on the clouds. Right, if the place have always the cloudy type of weather, then in the weather we can feel always the moisture. Right, now a sky full of clouds indicates a pleasant weather during summer season. Once again I will repeat, a sky full of clouds indicates a pleasant weather during summer season. When we will discuss about the summer season, we can say the sky of clouds indicates the pleasant weather during summer season. This is because the ray of the sun cannot reach us directly. So what is the benefit of cloudy day? What is the good thing about the cloudy day? Because of clouds, sun rays cannot come directly to us. Rays of sun cannot come directly to us. So we all are feeling very pleasant. हाँ, आज सूरज नहीं निकला है, सूरज बादलों के पीछे छुप गया है. So we all are feeling good. We all are feeling pleasant. Why? Because the rays of sun, because of the rays of sun cannot come directly to us. Why is it so? Because sun is hiding behind the clouds. So sun is not able to throw his rays directly to us, directly on the earth. Right? The cloudy nights are warmer than clear night. What is written in the book? Once again I will read. The cloudy nights are warmer. इसका मतलब यहाँ पर ये है बेटा कि जो क्लाउडी नाइट्स होती है, बादलों वाली रातें होती है, दे आर वेरी वार्मर, वो बहुत गर्म होती हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ क्लाउड्स वी कैन फील वेरी ह्यूमिडिटी, बहुत उमस हो जाती है एटमॉस्फेयर में. क्लाउड्स के कारण, बादलों के कारण जो एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, उस एटमॉस्फेयर में बहुत ज़्यादा ह्यूमिडिटी हो जाती है, बहुत गर्म हो जाता है वो। देन द क्लियर नाइट, इफ द वेदर इज क्लियर, इफ द क्लाउड्स आर नॉट इन द स्काई एंड सन rays can reach to us directly on earth, it means the night is very clear, the sky is very clear, there is no cloud, so that time we all are not feeling very warmer. But when the clouds are there, when the clouds are there, that time we all are feeling very warm. This is because the clouds do not allow the heat of the earth to go out in the space. Once again I will read this line. This is because the clouds do not allow the heat of the earth to go out in the space. ऐसा क्यों होता है, उसका रीजन लिखा है कि दिस इज बिकॉज द क्लाउड्स डू नॉट अलाउ, क्योंकि बादल अलाउ नहीं करते हैं द हीट ऑफ द अर्थ टू गो आउट इन द स्पेस. वॉट एवर हीट इज देयर इन द अर्थ, इट विल नॉट रिटर्न इट बैक टू द स्पेस. That is the reason when the cloudy day is there, when the cloudy night is there, we all are feeling very warmer. गर्मी ज़्यादा होती है, उमस होती है, ह्यूमिडिटी होती है, right? So the clouds do not allow the heat. जो बादल होते हैं वो हीट को अलाउ नहीं करते हैं कि अर्थ से वो वापस स्पेस में जा सके. दैट इज द रीजन वी ऑल आर फीलिंग वेरी वार्म, वेरी ह्यूमिड ड्यूरिंग द क्लाउडी डे, राइट? Sometimes also bring rain and make the weather cool, but it is not happening all the times. Sometimes cloud will bring rain. Sometimes cloud will bring rain. Right? Sometimes cloud will bring rain. So when rain will come, then what will happen? Then atmosphere will pleasant. Atmosphere will very good because of रेन ओनली. जब बादल होते हैं तब तो गर्मी होती है, ह्यूमिडिटी होती है, लेकिन जब बारिश आ जाती है तो वेदर बिकेम कूल. Right? Okay. So this is about the clouds. Once again I will repeat the paragraph so you will not forget. Clouds, बादल. The weather of a place around depends on clouds only. Whatever weather is of a particular place, it's completely depends on clouds only, right? A sky full of clouds indicates a pleasant weather. A sky with full of clouds indicates the pleasant weather, especially during the summer season. This is because the rays of the sun cannot reach us directly. So because of clouds, sun rays cannot reach us, cannot come to us directly on the earth, right? Sometimes when the cloudy day is there, we all are feeling very warm actually, and the night is also, we all are feeling very humid, we all are feeling very warm because of cloud. But when the clouds will go, sun will shine nicely, sun will shine nicely, brightly in the sky. That time we all are feeling little good rather than the cloudy nights, right? But it is not happening all the times. Sometimes cloud brings rains also. Sometimes cloud brings rains also. So because of rain, weather became cool. Because of rain only, weather became cool. इतना समझ में आया? होप आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द रेन. क्लाउड्स के बारे में तो हो गया. क्लाउड्स सो इसके बारे में तो वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट रेन. वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट रेन. राइट? ओके, नाउ rain also, whatever is written in the book I will read, then I will explain. Rain also affect the weather of a place. Yes, rain always affect the weather of a place. हमेशा वो किसी भी place के weather को affect करती ही है. It lower the temperature and makes the weather pleasant. Why is it so? Because when rain will come na, when rain will come, then what will happen beta? The temperature will go low and it makes the weather very pleasant. Right? See, suppose when the rain will come, then it means what? It means the rays of sun will not reach to us directly. The rays of sun will not reach on earth directly, so we all not feel very heat. That is the reason when rain will come, so the temperature of that particular place where will rain, the temperature will go low. बारिश की वजह से, चूंकि बारिश हो रही है, इसका मतलब है जो सूरज है वो बादलों में छुपा हुआ है और उसकी किरणें डायरेक्ट हम तक नहीं पहुंच रही हैं. इसी वजह से जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो कम हो जाता है और वी ऑल आर फीलिंग वेरी वेरी प्लेजेंट. वेरी प्लेजेंट. राइट? एंड ड्यूरिंग समर डे, when we will talk about the summer day means what? Summer day means dry and hot winds. Day from morning to night, we all are fed up with the dry and hot air. Right? So when the during the summer season, it gives us relief from heat. During the summer season it gives us very relief from it. अगर समर में बारिश होती है तो हमको बहुत रिलैक्स महसूस होता है. Why? Because weather became very pleasant. और थोड़ी रिलैक्स मिलता है. हाँ, आज तो गर्मी कम है, आज अच्छा लग रहा है. Right? So in the winter rain can bring snow or hill storm. HAIL, hill, STORM, storm. See, when we will talk about rain, है ना, rain affects the weather of the place. Rain always affect the weather of the place, right? When we will talk about the summer season, so during summer season when rain will come na, the temperature of that place will become low, will go low, and the day and the weather will become very pleasant during the summer season. But when we will talk about and we all feel very relief and relaxed. But when we will talk about the winter season, today I am making this video and it is the winter season, and during winter season it is raining outside beta. अभी 2-3 दिनों से खरगोन में ठंड के मौसम में भी बहुत बारिश हो रही है. So during winter season it is raining outside, and the rain can bring snow on हिल स्ट्रोम्स, और जो हिली एरियाज होते हैं, जो माउंटेन एरियाज होते हैं, वहां पर बर्फबारी होती है. हियर तो इन ड्यूरिंग विंटर सीजन वी ऑल आर नॉट हैविंग स्नो, बट during the winter season when rain will come na, then hilly areas, mountain areas, on the hill station there is snowfall. यहाँ तो बारिश होती है लेकिन पहाड़ों पर बर्फ गिरती है, right? So at the time it happens that it does not rain for a very long period of a time. It is happening, see, in the Friday means I am talking about the 11th December. The weather is very cloudy, and 12th December weather was very cloudy. It was rain. 13th December it was rain. Today is 14th December. I am making this video on 14th December, and still it is very foggy day actually outside. So these types of weather, it's not go for a long period of a time. When rain will come during winter season, during winter time, so this rain will not go very long period for a time. No, it will not go. When we will talk about the summer season, so during summer season rain will not go for a very long period of a time. This time is very short. This cause drought. Drought, on the other hand, heavy rainfall or for many days can cause floods. जब ऐसा होता है बेटा कि बारिश के दिनों में बहुत लंबे समय तक अगर बारिश नहीं होती है तो वो सूखे का या अकाल का कारण बनती है. DROUGHT, drought. Drought word is written in your book. So when the rainy season is there and rain will not come for a long time, for a long period, so it cause the drought, and other hand heavy rainfall for many days can cause the flood. Rain is a very what I can say, बहुत ही अजीब चीज होती है बारिश. अगर ज्यादा बारिश हो जाए तो बाढ़ आ जाती है और सारी चीजें खराब हो जाती हैं, फसलें, घर, शहर सब दूर बर्बादी होती है. और अगर बारिश नहीं आती है या बारिश बहुत कम आती है तो वहाँ पर सूखा पड़ता है, अकाल होता है और वहाँ के लोगों को खाना नहीं मिलता और पानी, इन सब चीज़ों की कमी आ जाती है. और बहुत सारे लोग जो होते हैं वो इन कमियों की वजह से अपनी लाइफ को सरवाइव भी नहीं कर पाते हैं. राइट? अंडरस्टैंड? Once again I will repeat the entire paragraph so you can understand nicely. Rain also affect the weather of the place. It is very much correct written in the book. Then the rain always affect the weather of the place. It lower the temperature and makes the weather pleasant. Because of rain only, temperature of that particular place will go low. During summer season it gives us relief from heat, and when we will talk about the summer season, during summer season when rain will come, then we all are feeling very relief from heat. गर्मी से मुक्ति मिलती है. In winter season rain can bring snow or hailstorm, but when we will talk about the winter season, during winter season when rain will come, so it brings snow and हिल स्टॉर्म. सो वो सारा का सारा बर्फबारी का कारण बन सकती है. राइट? एट अ टाइम इट्स हैपन दैट इट डज नॉट रेन फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड. कभी कभी ऐसा भी देखा गया है कि बहुत लंबे समय तक बारिश नहीं होती है. सो दिस कॉज drought. On the other hand, heavy rainfall for many days can cause flood. And sometimes we have seen that in so many areas of our country they will suffer from flood. वो बाढ़ से प्रभावित हो जाते हैं, बाढ़ आ जाती है because of heavy rainfall. And some places we can see there is no rain, so these places called drought, right? So when the drought lasts for a long period, animals and human beings die due to lack of water and food. So what is written in the book? When drought lasts for a long period, और ये जो सूखे की स्थिति होती है जब ये लंबे समय तक चलती है, so animal and human beings die due to lack of water and food. So we human beings and as well as animals as well as plants, we all cannot survive without water. Because if water is not there, how we can get the food? Because plant and crops needs water to grow up well. If water is not there, if rain will not come, then animals, plants and human beings cannot survive nicely. And flood also cause a lots of destructions to the life and property. और जो बाढ़ होती है ना बेटा, वो विनाश का कारण होती है, वो जिंदगियां तो बर्बाद करती ही है, बहुत सारी प्रॉपर्टी भी खराब करती है। फ्लड आती है, बाढ़ आती है, तो बाढ़ अपने साथ बहुत सारी चीजें बहा कर ले जाती है। अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट क्लाउड्स एंड अबाउट रेन्स, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड। सो सी यहाँ पर चूंकि here I am talking about the rain, so it is not included in your book, but I will try to take the water cycle. I will try to tell you the water cycle. What is water cycle? Water cycle. Water cycle क्या होती है? What is water cycle? Right, so this question will come is in your mind, this question will click is in your mind that what is water cycle? पानी कैसे आता है, बादलों से पानी कैसे गिरता है, बादलों के अंदर पानी कहाँ से भरता है, right? So all these things I will explain to you, okay? So water cycle है ना? So first I will draw the picture of sun over here. What is this? This is the picture of sun. Sun gives us what? Yes, sun gives us light and heat. This is sun. Right? Okay. Now here I will draw clouds. Here I will draw clouds. What are these? These are clouds. Right. Now in downside here I am drawing sea, samudra. These are the waves of the sea. What is this? This is sea. Sea means samudra. Right. And here I am drawing picture of river. What is this? R-I-V-E-R, river. Right. Now here I am going to draw picture of mountain. This is not proper mountain. राइट एंड जहां पे नदियां होती है वहां पे ट्रीज तो होते ही होते हैं। राइट नाउ हियर आई विल ड्रॉ the rainy cloud. Right? So I can tell you that this is water cycle. What is this? This is water cycle. अब ये water cycle कैसे काम करती है? How this water cycle is actually works? How this water cycle is actually works? So dear children, do you know that the sun gives us heat? Right? And this sun, actually this sun heat up the water that present in the seas and rivers. Understand? Are you understanding? That this is sun, है ना? This is sun, and this sun heat up the water from sea and river. समुद्र से सूरज की जो गर्मी होती है ना बेटा, हिंदी में समझा रही हूँ मैं आपको, सूरज की जो गर्मी होती है, इस गर्मियों से नदी का, सी यानी समुद्र, नदी, सॉरी सी यानी समुद्र, एंड दिस रिवर, रिवर यानी नदियाँ, तो जो सूरज की जो गर्मी होती है ना बेटा, इनसे नदियों और समुद्र का पानी क्या होता है? गर्म हो जाता है। क्या होता है? गर्म हो जाता है। ठीक है, और बहुत ज़्यादा जब ये पानी गर्म हो जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादा जब ये पानी गर्म हो जाता है, तो थोड़ा थोड़ा इसमें गैस या भाप में चेंज हो जाता है। किस में चेंज हो जाता है? थोड़ा थोड़ा करके गैस और भाप में चेंज हो जाता है, और इसी प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं? वाटर वेपन। इस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं वाटर वेपन। दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड वाटर वेपन। राइट? सो कैसे होती है ये सारी प्रोसेस? कैसे होती है? जब ये जो सन है ना, ये सारा का सारा सी से और रिवर से जो हीटअप करता है वाटर को, वो सारी की सारी धीरे धीरे भाप बनकर ऊपर आती है, धीरे धीरे भाप बनकर ऊपर आती है, और फिर यही क्लाउड्स में जाती है, और जब ये बादल जो है, वो क्लाउड्स है, वो हैवी हो जाते हैं, तो रेन होती है, बारिश होती है। और ये सारा का सारा जो साइकिल है, दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस will go on regularly, and this process is called water vapor. Right? So today my time is going to over, and I took more than 40 minutes, so I am going to wind up my lecture, and when we will meet in the next lecture, then we will discuss about the seasons, weather forecast and season. These two topics we will cover in the next lecture. Right? So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you.